Today we'll talk about this beautiful Swatch. So I bought this watch in 2004 and I just recently cleaned up a little bit the top glass because there were some scratches, so I used my very ultra thin sandpaper with water to clean it up. It came out really nice, as you can see, very transparent, very clean. I also changed the battery cap because it was broken after so many years, and I bought a new one, which is very hard to find. I found it on eBay, but after 1 month I was searching and I found it in Italy. So this came from Italy. And then another thing I did, because also it was kind of in bad shape, was the lock, as you can see, because there was a lots of scratches too. I used this one with a little bit of water, going always this way until it came out pretty good. As you can see, not bad. It's almost like new, Anyway, watch is really nice. I really love to wear those watches during summer. Now it's summer, so it's the right time. This is, I think it's a watch that will never die in terms of style. You know, it's always very actual. I really like this strapping aluminium. Very nice, very light, okay? Good look, not too strong, not too fitted. I would say a good one to have in your collection. So if you like this video, please put a like. Thank you. Ciao.